everybody, and welcome to another episode of Everything AI and Lore podcast with Tolulope Awoyomi, Tolu for short. And on this solo episode, I will be debunking 3 myths or misconception about what AI is. And the first one is AI is not robotics. Yeah, see, AI and robotics are actually two different fields. Yes, although they can complement each other, but they are different fields. We have a lot of examples of robots that do not in fact utilize AI. So when you hear the word AI, if this is the image this image of a humanoid robot, if this image comes to your mind when you hear the word AI, I'm afraid you're not correct. You are not correct. See, there are lots of robots that do not utilize AI, and we have a lot of examples, such as the traditional dishwashers, the conventional laundry machine, automated coffee machines, the basic robotic vacuum cleaners. We have a lot of examples of robots that do not utilize AI. Okay, so let's step back a bit. What exactly is the hallmark or the presence mark of AI? Now, this is it. It's the ability of a machine to conduct or perform tasks that typically require human intelligence without explicit programming, right? So now, one of the fascinating things about AI, especially ML, machine learning, is the ability for the machine to learn through data and more data and various interactions. That is the ability of AI and ML. But if that is missing, right? So we have the traditional programming of, for example, simple if and else statements such as if A is greater or equals to B, output this. So something similar, although a bit more complicated, is what is present in this robot, right? So they are explicitly programmed step by step on what to do and how to do it. So now, AI, on the other hand, does not have this explicit programming on the step by step of what to do. The machine has the ability to learn what to do through the data, through interaction. It just learns what to do and knows what to do without explicitly being programmed to do so. And I'm sure you've heard of Sophia the robot. So now that's an example of a robot plus AI, a robot that utilizes AI features such as NLP. NLP is a short form for natural language processing, which is used for interactions or conversation. It also makes use of what is called facial recognition to recognize faces, and also it has the ability to learn from interactions, right? So I hope I've been able to debunk the misconception about AI being robot. No, they are two different fields that can complement. And now, the second misconception about what AI is AI is not statistics. Statistics involves the collation, the analysis, the interpretation, and presentation or visualization of data, particularly using a sample to infer a whole or a population or a more magnanimous quantity of the data by using just the sample, right? So while AI is the realm of creating machines that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human-like intelligence. AI could utilize some statistical techniques, but you see that they are actually different, right? AI is not statistics. It could use some statistical techniques, but it is not statistics. And vice versa, AI statistics is not AI. An example of statistics implementation is the collation of, for example, election or a survey result and analyzing it and visualizing it. That's an example of statistics. And of course, AI, we have a lot of examples in our world today that you could obviously just you should know about, or if you don't know about, it's just a matter of googling it. Yeah, so there's a stack difference between AI and statistics. And to the third and the last misconception I will be talking about on what AI is that AI is not data science. This might be controversial, but hear me out. AI is actually an aspect of data science, right? So data science is a field of computer science that encompasses the extraction of insights from both structured and unstructured data using techniques from the fields such as mathematics, fields such as statistics, fields such as ML, which is a subfield of AI, and so on, right? So AI is a subfield of data science. It is not data science. So a wide range of examples of data science is use of fraud detection by financial companies and recommendation systems, which you see on e-commerce websites telling you, oh, would you also like to get this? Or other customers got this, and so on and so forth. And also, you could also see recommendation systems on movie platforms. And that's it. So the point is, AI actually encompasses a wide range of techniques, such as rule-based systems, expert systems, symbolic approach, machine learning, and others, with the goal of enabling machines to perform tasks that would typically require human-like intelligence. And so, what is very popular about AI is generative AI, which is an example of ML, machine learning, which is a subfield of AI. And subsequently, I really intend to explain this concept more on this podcast so that people understand it and not just going with the flow of Gen AI. You don't really know what is Gen AI. You don't know what really is AI. And, like the popular saying, knowledge is power. So, like, share, subscribe to this podcast because I will be dedicating most of my solo episodes on educating people on what AI really is and the intricacies, the explanation of the concept, so that you are, wherever field you're in, law, or whatever field, you are armed with this knowledge, right? Okay, and if you're listening on other podcasts, audio platforms, please follow and yeah. And that's it for this episode. I'm looking forward to next episode, which is a continuation of the last guest expert episode. You don't want to miss it for anything because it's super packed with a lot of knowledge that you would really, really find value in. And until next time, thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.